Welcome back. My name is Dak, and today in this video we are doing a geography bunker quiz. So we've got 15 questions. They're going to give us options. We got 7 minutes. Let's do it. All right, what is the capital of France? Is it A, Berlin, B, London, C, Warsaw, or D, Paris? I'm going to go with D, Paris. What is the largest state of the United States by area? New York, Alaska, Florida, or Montana? I'm glad they gave that because Alaska definitely is the largest by area, but not by population. So I'm going with B, Alaska. Oh, what is the capital of Canada? Is it A, Ottawa, B, Toronto, C, Montreal, or D, Vancouver? I don't know Canada very well. Let's go. Is it Montreal? I think it's either between Toronto or Montreal. I'm going to go with B, Toronto. Oops, got it wrong. All right, let's replay that again. All right, D, Paris. Let's see, Alaska. Let's go with C, Montreal. Nope, still not right. Man, if you're from Canada and you're watching this, feel free to be screaming at me. All right, D, Paris. B, Alaska. I guess it's A, Ottawa. Oh, learn something new every day. What country is not in Africa? Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Guyana, or Equatorial Guinea? I'm going to go with C, Guyana. That is correct. Which of these capitals is not in South America? Quito, Asunción, Brasilia, or Havana? All right, Quito is Ecuador, Brasilia is Brazil, Asunción I'm not sure, and then Havana is Cuba, which Cuba is Central or / North America, so I'm going to go with D, Havana. What is the northernmost capital in the world? Reykjavik, Iceland, Vienna, Seoul, or Moscow? Ooh, interesting. I feel like this is probably a trick question because, like, when you look at it on a map, longitude, latitude really mess with you. Reykjavik is Iceland. Seoul is South Korea. Moscow, Vienna. I bet it's like the answer is Vienna, even though you wouldn't think so. Vienna. I'm gonna go with A, Reykjavik, because I think it's Iceland. Oh, I got it right. Excellent. Which of these countries does not border the Baltic Sea? Baltic Sea. Russia, Denmark, Germany, or Norway? All right. Baltic Sea. Russia, Denmark, Germany, or Norway? I feel like Germany and Denmark are out because they're like right next to each other. It's either Norway, which is further north and to the west than Russia. Yeah, I'm gonna go with D, Norway. All right, got it right. Which is the southernmost capital in the world? Canberra, Wellington, Buenos Aires, or Juba? Okay, no idea on this one. Canberra, Wellington, Buenos Aires, Juba. Okay, so Buenos Aires is Argentina, which is South America, which that's pretty far south, but I don't know. I'm just guessing on these other ones. Juba, Canberra, never heard about any of these other ones. Let's see. I've had D 3 times, B once, A twice, C once. So it's like A or B. A or B. Let's just go with A. Well, got it wrong. It's not A. Let's try it again. D, Paris, Alaska, Ottawa, Guyana, Havana, Reykjavik, Norway. All right, we tried Canberra. Let's try Wellington. Oh, Wellington is the correct answer. Which country does not border Peru? Ecuador, Uruguay, Chile, or Bolivia? Okay, so Peru is on the western part of South America. Chile is to the south of it. Ecuador is to the north. So it's either Uruguay or Bolivia. Uruguay, Paraguay. I'm going to go with D, Bolivia. Nope, not right. Man. Paris, Alaska, Ottawa, Guinea, Havana, Reykjavik, Norway, Wellington. What did I say? I went with Bolivia last time. So let's go with B, Uruguay. Uruguay. Which of these countries has the largest population? Germany, South Korea, Italy, or Kenya? Oh, okay. I feel like Germany's bigger than Italy. Kenya could have a lot of people. South Korea could have a ton of people. Largest GDP is Germany. Let's just go with D, Kenya. There's a lot of Africans. Nope. Did not get that one right. Not Kenya. If you're still watching this video, thanks a lot for watching. I am not doing great. Maybe you're doing better at home. A, Ottawa, Guyana, Havana, Reykjavik, Norway, Wellington, B, Uruguay. So it wasn't Kenya. Germany, South Korea. Germany or South Korea? Let's go with South Korea. Nope, also not correct. Between European, Germany or Italy. Okay, D, Paris. B, Alaska. A, Ottawa. C, Guyana. D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. Alright, I'm going to go with A, Germany. Alright. Which of these is the largest country by area? Mexico, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, or Algeria? Ooh. Okay. I think it's between either Indonesia or Algeria. Africa's big, but then Indonesia is huge. I mean, are we talking land or sea? Because if it's sea, it definitely includes Indonesia. Let's go with D, Algeria. Oh, got it right. Woo. Through which country does the equator not pass? Gabon, Colombia, Malaysia, Republic of the Congo. Okay. I feel like Colombia it's going to, because that's close to Ecuador right there. Republic of the Congo. Republic of the Congo, that's a little bit north. Malaysia and Gabon. I'm going to go with A, Gabon. Nope. I got another one wrong. Man, this is a tough one. Okay. D, Paris. B, Alaska. A, Ottawa. C, Guyana. D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. A, Germany. D, Algeria. Alright. I said Gabon. Republic of the Congo. Let's go with that one. Nope. Also not correct. Dang. D, Paris. B, Alaska. A, Ottawa. C, Guyana. D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. A, Germany. D, Algeria. Okay. Through which country does the equator not pass? I've tried Gabon and I've tried Republic of the Congo. Malaysia or Colombia? Malaysia? Malaysia or Colombia? I've already eliminated two of them. Let's just go with Colombia. No, also Malaysia? Gosh. D, Paris. B, Alaska. A, Ottawa. C, Guyana. D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. A, Germany. D, Algeria. And then I guess C, Malaysia. Which country has no border to Lake Victoria? A, Tanzania. B, Uganda. C, Rwanda. Or D, Kenya? Okay, so Lake Victoria, they were talking to Africa. It's in the central area. It's kind of towards east. Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya. Rwanda's real small. Tanzania's south of it. D, Kenya. Nope. Not Kenya. Man, I've only got 2 left, but this is taking me forever. D, Paris. B, Alaska. A, Ottawa. C, Guyana. D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. A, Germany. D, Algeria. C, Malaysia. Okay. Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya. If Kenya's touching it, Tanzania to the south? No, so not right. Man, my instincts are all wrong on these. D, Paris. B, Alaska. A, Ottawa. C, Guyana. D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. A, Germany. D, Algeria. C, Malaysia. Not Tanzania, not Kenya. Uganda or Rwanda? Uganda or Rwanda? Uganda's bigger. Rwanda's smaller. Let's go with B, Uganda. Wow, 2 answers in a row. I have guessed wrong 3 out of 4. Statistically, that's just terrible. A, C, D, Havana. A, Reykjavik. D, Norway. B, Wellington. B, Uruguay. A, Germany. D, Algeria. C, Malaysia. And man, C, Rwanda. Alright, 2 questions. How many countries are bordering China? Oh my goodness. 12, 13, 14, or 15. This is just another guess. Oh, this is embarrassing. Alright. We've had 2 A's, 2 C's in a row. B's. Let's just guess A. I have no idea. Not right. Alright, we'll give up. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know if you're upset that I didn't finish it. Thanks for watching. Bye.